How to fix or boost your microphone on OBS. OBS is an open broadcasting software. Today, with the help of OBS, open broadcasting software, I'm going to help you out fix the problem that you might have been facing for your microphone, and just making adjustment to your microphone or something. We're gonna talk about the possibilities, the possible problems that you've been facing for producing a better quality sound. If you have a problem and if you have been trying to look for a solution, this is really going to help you a lot. Welcome to the channel Father 007. I'm Adnan Ayaz. Let's move on how to fix the problem. As I am using, as we talked about, open broadcasting system, this software is already running with me here, OBS. I'm gonna help you today with the help of this software. First of all, we need to make sure that you're using this software, and of course then there is going to be some other option as well. But if you're using this software and you do not know, if you're new to YouTube or other video making channels or something, so this one is going to help you a lot. Now make sure, if you want to improve your quality, audio quality, you need to come here first of all and press this one, setting over here, and there is going to be another window over here. This window is going to open. You do not need to touch anything else or do anything to it. If you just want to improve your audio, this video is going to deal with audio problem, not any other ones. So we're going to click on this one, audio, and this is going to open. Make sure that your audio sample rate is 44. You can make it 40kHz as well, but it's better, it would be better if you use the same one. Depends on what channels do you want, stereo or mono. Well, I would recommend that you use stereo. Okay, this is the least important thing, and you will find this one by default, and you do not need to touch this at all. Now the next most important thing is the first one, the desktop audio. Make sure that you have speakers over here, whatever speakers you're using. Make sure that you have done this setting to this, and their speakers Realtek high definition, and as I am using, you have these ones in your setting. So this is supposed to be the first one that you should use, and then I'm not going to use any other desktop audio, so I have already disabled it. I mean, it will be showing as disabled already. Next, you need to go for adding a microphone. So here I have already added microphone Realtek. You will just need to press this, and there are going to be options for you, and you're going to choose one microphone. Once you have done this, make sure, I'm going to repeat that, make sure that you have these settings with you, and then you have speakers and you have a microphone. You could surely have more than one microphone. Many people are using more than one microphones on their systems. So you can you have a slot over here, you can use another microphone as well. But if you have only one, you can use this one microphone. Make sure you have this all done, and after this, all the rest, everything else, that let it all remain the same. Do not touch or mess with anything. Once you have done these things, these four things, press OK, and you will come back to the same software, same place. And here you'll find this icon over here. This is for adjusting your volume. So you need to come here on number 2 and press this setting icon. I'm going to click it for you. This kind of small window is going to open up, and you're going to go to filters. Without doing anything, you don't need to go anywhere. The rest, everything else is there already. You need to go to filters, and in this you're going to need to put 3 filters to improve your quality, audio quality. Make sure that you have put them. Now the question, I have already got 3 filters over here. Number 1 is noise suppression, 2 noise gate, and 3 compressor. Make sure you have all these. Yes, these are going to help you really a lot when it comes to the background noises or some other noises. Like there could be some noises around you going on, the dogs are barking or something, some other kind of kind of noises. If you want to avoid those noises, make sure that you apply all these. Now question comes how to do that here. You come here and press this, this sign, plus sign over here. Click on that. And there is another window opening up. See, then there are options for you. All these are filters. I would recommend you to just use 3 more important or the most important filters, as I've got one. I'm gonna press this one, compressor. Though I have already over here, I've already added that one, but I'm going to press it to show you what happens when you press it. See, when you press this button, this compressor window opens up and it asks you to specify the name of the filter. Well, you don't need to give it any name. It will be fine if you just use the same name and press OK. Well, I've got already mine done, so it is saying the name is already in use because I have already applied that one, so I don't need to apply that again. So I'm going to cancel that, by the way. But you need to press OK and OK again, and it will appear over here. Same way, use the another noise gate. Okay, press this one and apply this one. This is going to help you a lot. And the other third filter, noise suppression. These 3 are going to help you a lot in controlling the background noises, of course, extra noises that you don't want to be added in your audio or video. Here we go. Once we are done this, close this window. I'll come back to the window original. You will find a much better quality and improvement in your sound. Okay, well, when this part is done, one more smallest part is always remaining. Keep in mind that there could be other options as well for you. I had been facing this problem myself, and I could not find a way to improve my audio quality. I was trying to figure out a way and looked for different solutions, but still there was a problem. So what I did was quite simple. I went here, okay, this a small thing, and clicked on it, and you will see this kind of a, I'm using Windows 7. Keep it in mind, if you have Windows 7 or if you have Windows 10, 8, you will find all these options over here. You'll find this mic over here, Realtek HD Audio Manager. Press that button and a window will open for you. See, this kind of window will pop up, and you will see there is speaker, digital output, and digital output again, and there's microphone. What you need to do first is just click on this tab and make sure that recording volume is at max. You can make it to 100, the way you want it. If it is too much for you, you can drag it back, pull it back, adjust it the way you want. The bar is there to help you adjust all this. Okay, after this, the most important part that I have been looking for a long time, I couldn't find any, is this one, is this option which says microphone boost. See, you press this one, and when you're going to press this, you will find this small bar over here, not there. So when I came to see this, I just dragged it from here till here, and I found what I would say, the hilarious results, and I found much improvement in the audio quality. Make sure if you want it till here, it can still be, but it will sound very, very strained, as you can hear my voice as well. So I just pulled it back and put it here till this, and it is going to magnificently improve your voice. And this is one of the most important part for all the settings and for everything that you want to do for audio recording. So once you do that, you will definitely find that your quality has improved. Thank you. Once you have done this, just close this small window and press OK. Make sure to press OK, and then you will be coming back to the same window. That's it. What you need to do. This is all what you need to do to improve your quality. Try to do that. Make sure you do it step by step. And if you feel any difficulty, if you have a problem, make sure that you are doing it step by step, one by one. Once you do it, you will definitely find your quality improve. You can see you'll find this bar over there. Make sure one more thing, that when you're talking, this bar that is moving, coming to the yellow level, when it is coming to the yellow level, it is a proof that your voice is quite audible enough. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do not forget to drop a like, and subscribe the channel. And if there is any problem, do mention that in the comments below. Thank you very much. Have a good day.